Welcome to the Software Built by Design overview of the SBBD platform. We hope to provide you with a basic understanding of the depth and breadth of the platform and its many capabilities. We will start by answering the most fundamental question: what is the SBBD platform? Then, we'll walk through 7 key aspects of the platform, finishing with a demonstration of a product we quickly built using the platform. The SBBD platform is a next-generation software solution. It allows its customers to enter new markets and dominate existing ones. It affords them the ability to use software as a competitive advantage. It is not a hard-coded solution. It's not reliant on your software developers keeping pace with an ever-changing technological advancing world. From smart mobile apps to artificial intelligence solutions, augmented reality with global scalability, the SBBD platform takes care of all of these and much, much more. It cannot become obsolete or antiquated based on the introduction of new computer programming languages or paradigms. It is not dependent on programmers understanding your business or your vision. And it's 100% codeless, yet it understands all of the latest computer languages, so you and your staff don't have to. It supports the entire software development process, from requirements management to testing, DevOps, and automatic deployment, both in-store for mobile applications as well as in the cloud, and everything in between. The SBBD platform takes security to the next level. It supports 1- and 2-way encryption, biometric assist, blockchain management, identity management, and even multi-tenant capabilities. It has isolation at the cluster level, both local, running on-premise, as well as in the cloud. It handles payments and data analytics, yet all of these capabilities are delivered at a fraction of the time and cost of old hard-coded solutions, both custom-built, in-house, or purchase solutions. And best of all, your solution is yours. You don't have to wait for some vendor to add a future requirement to what you need functional now. You're also not at the mercy of their product vision or lack thereof. You're in control of your business and your software, which puts you in control of your future. The SBBD platform can develop user interfaces to pixel-perfect precision. Anything you can imagine, we can develop using the tool. We can also implement all of your business logic and all of your data structures, as well as integrating with any third-party solution that you have. It is designed to give you exactly what you wanted, now. Let us show you what the tool can do for you. This is the Software Built by Design SBBD platform. Now let us demonstrate a system we built. Here is a use case for a smart city application, customly built as a prototype for one of our clients, using AI, speech-to-text, and web services.
Hi, Nancy. How can I help you?
I want to set a goal.
Sure. What is your goal, Nancy?
I want to lose weight.
How much weight do you want to lose?
About 4 pounds.
When do you want to lose weight by?
In 2 weeks.
Your goal to lose weight of 4 pounds in 2 weeks has been set. Anything else you need my assistance with?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Okay, let me show you some healthy options.
Next.
Sure.
Show me details.
No problem.
Can I see the menu?
Sure.
I want to see the full menu.
No problem.
Can you call the restaurant?
Sure.
Show me directions.
No problem.
Take me home.
No problem.
I'm hungry again.
Okay, just want to check. Have you finished the Greek salad you had for lunch?
Yes, I did.
Okay then, how about a healthy snack? I have some options for you which helps you in losing weight.
Sure, show me the options, please.
You can have apple or some nuts or hummus dip or guacamole salad. Are these satisfying?
Yes, I would like to try the guacamole salad.
You can get salad at this restaurant.
Show me menu?
No problem.
How about the full menu?
Sure.
Take me home.
No problem.
Another use case is the Global University Online Learning Management System. Here, we show a quick glimpse of the global mobile application. Using the application, students can see their courses and take their courses, online or offline, by matriculating through course content all on their phone. Students can take tests both online or offline with content synchronization occurring whenever students have access to the internet. They will be able to have video conferencing as well as phone, text, and email conversations with other students, faculty, and staff. This mobile application was created for Global in a couple of months, while the entire online browser version comprised of a learning management system, student information system, content creation and management system, and customer relation management system was developed, delivered, and deployed in 12 months. It supports 4 completely different schools from trade school to graduate school in 3 different languages. The SBBD platform changes the game, raises the bar, and redefines expectations on feature, function, time of delivery, performance, quality, security, and cost. The SBBD platform creates user interfaces and user experiences for mobile phones, tablets, browsers, and televisions. The UI tool generates applications and parts of application completely without coding. Mobile apps are generated in the native language, look, and feel of the target environment. iOS apps are generated using native C# and Objective-C, while Android applications are generated using Java. These apps are native with code that is automatically generated by the platform. Because native apps in fact provide the best user experience and performance, the SBBD platform would not be complete if it did not generate native apps. So we do. However, responsive HTML applications can also be developed. It is up to each app developer or product owner to decide which is best for their application, native or responsive. The UI UX Designer tool uses a simple palette to hold a large and ever-growing set of visual widgets, each controlled by a property sheet to configure look and feel, data mapping, and touch or click event response management. HTML5 is used as the visual specification language, and SBBD platform visual logic components are used to perform client-side data and function actions. The tools are so intuitive, even non-technology personnel can be trained to create and modify user interfaces. And changes can be made at any time, making it cost-effective to keep applications updated and fresh. The SBBD platform makes creating and maintaining mobile, internet, and television applications efficient, powerful, and fully collaborative. Just imagine when a user wants to change to a user interface and it takes more time to write about it than it takes to actually do it. To end users, platform UI builders are rock stars. The SBBD platform uses Visual Logic Components, or VLCs, to generate and execute all business logic within our systems. These are completely codeless logic constructs that provide for all of the capacities of any Java, C, or Python program, just without the messy, cryptic scripting required by old third-generation programming languages. VLCs run locally, within each supported device operating system. The platform supports both user interface or UI VLCs, those running in iOS and Android devices such as phones, tablets, and TVs, and server or cloud-based VLCs. All VLCs support flow control capabilities such as loops, decisions, switch statements, and more. But server-based VLCs also support multi-threading, direct functionality for AI capabilities, including speech-to-text, text-to-speech, image recognition, social media integration for single sign-on, and JSON object management. They have web crawling, a transaction that bases asynchronous calling of both VLCs and third-party web services. Data access is also available within server-side VLCs, along with video conferencing and payment system integration, and the list goes on and on. While server VLCs are called directly, like functions with defined inputs and outputs, UI VLCs are typically called based on user interface interactions. Actions like button presses or screen touches, they can be triggered by pre- or post-load events for screens as well. Just as the server-side VLCs have some unique capabilities, UI-based VLCs can store data on the device, in memory, or in cookies. They can access device-based functions like taking location positions or making phone calls, or taking pictures and videos. In addition, UI-based VLCs can dynamically control the screen of the devices at runtime to modify the look and feel or user experience of the applications based on data changes or user desires. UI VLCs can also take a user application into and out of augmented reality mode. VLCs are created by simply dragging and dropping functional logic constructs onto the function palette and completing the corresponding property sheet. Naturally, any VLC can save or persist data into a data model or local data store and read data from any data model, but the platform provides app builders with the added ability to store and create new relationships between instances of data and use those relationships to query data based on either relationships, data criteria, values, or a combination of both. These powerful capabilities are managed during the system configuration time by a visual debugger that allows app builders to simultaneously examine data and user interface functions as it simulates the running system. As an added benefit, even business analysts and some tech-savvy users will find it reasonable to review the business logic by having app builders walk them through the VLCs. I know that sounds hard to believe, but it happens on every implementation. Data models are the foundation of the SBBD platform, just as data itself is the lifeblood of all computer software systems. The platform supports three kinds of data models or database structures: relational, non-SQL, and network. App builders can easily create data structures by completing property sheets that capture all of the data required to describe and generate databases. Once the final properties are defined, the system then generates the structures within the appropriate database environment. Data audit requirements are designated using the platform property sheets as well. In addition to defining data fields and indexes, platform data models are also defined by directional relationships between data models, with client-defined verbs to simulate real-world relationships. In addition, data models can be created directly from JSON structures. These structures are generated to any nested depth, automatically. Populating the data model can be done from web services or directly from Excel spreadsheets or CSV files, locally and asynchronously from the cloud. platform data models come ready for integration into intelligent systems such as IBM's Watson, ready with parts of speech definition, word roles and relationships, analytics enhancement, and a data learning foundation. User roles are defined within the platform and integrated with the platform's role-based access control system. The control system supports context-based data access that can restrict a user's access to data that matches both their defined role capabilities and their personal user data properties. For example, a teacher may only have access to a student's record as long as that student was in the teacher's class. Data is the foundation of any system, and the platform's powerful data modeling capabilities means that our clients can deploy entire systems and integrate solutions with the highest level of confidence, both now and moving into the future. The SBBD UI/UX Designer tool is used to generate reports and graphs on the platform. There are specific graph and report widgets to choose from, each with property sheets designed to simplify the creation process. The SBBD platform uses a WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get method for screen and form layout. There are no surprises and all expectations can be met. Objects are placed in precise coordinates, whether static or dynamic. Sizes, likewise, can be static or dynamic. Reports, forms, and graphs can be sent directly to printers, embedded in emails, or placed in screens on any device, all without any code being involved. Pre- and post-load VLC triggers can be fired for all screens, including those that contain reports and graphs, so user experiences can be greatly enriched for all forms, reports, and graphs generated on the platform. The SBBD platform was specifically designed to integrate with other systems. Any data query, VLC, or data model in the platform can be exposed to other systems via RESTful web services called published services. When the platform is satisfying the request for data access or functions from third-party systems, those systems must use their web services capabilities to call our published services. Published services are also 100% codeless and can be created by completing property sheets with the appropriate information. When the platform requires data or functional capabilities from third-party systems, we use our web services feature. Web services can access other systems using either RESTful API calls or SOAP calls. Web services are defined using the codeless web services definition tool and executed using web service logic constructs within the VLCs. Input and output parameters use data models designed specially to hold the shape or form of the output request object or the inbound request object accordingly. Once the response object is received into the calling VLC, app developers can operate against the data as though it were any other data in the system, organically. Our goal was to seamlessly integrate with all third-party systems so that our user interface and user experience tools, VLCs, data models, and all other features of the platform could interact with all data and functionality equally, regardless of the initial source of the data or the function being consumed. This is truly one of the most powerful and unique capabilities of the platform, and it's what makes the platform and systems built on it boundless. SBBD has taken complicated concepts and placed them into easy-to-use, code-free constructs that integrate into every aspect of the platform, naturally. Our platform has built-in artificial intelligence features, like natural language processing, which is the ability to understand normal, casual human language without users having to learn to speak like a robot or alter their speaking style. Image recognition, the ability for the software to take an image as an input and then determine all of the objects and properties contained within the image, which is ideal for many things from facial recognition to pothole detection and a whole lot more. Text-to-speech and speech-to-text, both of which are vital in creating software that is voice-driven, and last but not least, learning technology like IBM's Watson. Learning technology starts with a fundamental understanding of the objects in the real world, and more to the point, objects in your business. This technology already understands basic language constructs like verbs, nouns, word relationships, things like purchase orders, sales orders, payables and receivables, and much more. Some learning systems understand medical concepts, while others understand military applications. Learning software can learn any business and help find and eliminate weaknesses and maximize strengths across your entire organization. Learning software, though in its infancy now, will become more than commonplace in the near future. Without it, companies won't even be able to compete. The SBBD platform will continue to grow its AI capabilities to keep all of its customers ahead of the curve as new and exciting technologies emerge. The SBBD platform can create augmented reality applications. Using a mobile device with a camera, any smart device can be switched from camera mode, showing a normal view of the world through the camera lens, to augmented reality mode, where virtual objects are interwoven with real-world objects. The platform can make the switch automatically. Creating augmented reality applications or adding augmented reality features to existing applications is as easy as selecting the appropriate VLC block, configuring it, and running your application. The only caveat is you will need to buy or create your 3D models, but the programming aspect of your augmented reality application is a snap with the platform. Apps are not necessarily just fun and games, although there is nothing wrong with a little fun and games. Map directions can be enhanced with a yellow brick road appearing to lead users to their destination, or even industrial apps that help you look through walls to see the virtual wiring, or look through floors and streets to see plumbing. Now all of these applications are possible and practical with the SBBD platform. The era of one-off software solutions is coming to an end. Software platforms are the way of the future. The software built by design staff has been building software for 16 years. IBM bought their first platform in 2011. After the acquisition, the core team stayed together and leveraged the latest technology to create the SBBD platform. Thank you for your time and attention. We are looking forward to hearing from you at Software Built by Design.